In front of me is VIVO X300 FE, and today I would like to show you how you can clean storage. All you need to do is find Google folder that's already on your smartphone, and from it select Files app. When you're ready, click on those three lines at the top left corner and click on Clean. Now tap Clean under Junk Files. And last but not least, select Clear in the pop-up. So when I do that, as you can see, storage of my Vivo was successfully cleaned. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!